Hello everyone, today we will be learning to paint a night sky using oil pastels. So we'll start with light blue color and add a line over here. I'm leaving 4-finger space from the bottom and making a line over here, and I start to color with my light blue colored oil pastel this way. I'm applying a bit pressure on the oil pastel and covering up all the white areas this way. I'm also leaving some white areas in between. As you can see, I'm not applying a lot of pressure but a bit of pressure so that when we blend it later using an earbud, we have space to blend and move the color here and there as well. If you apply a lot of pressure and cover up all the white spaces and have a lot of wax on the paper, it is going to be difficult for you to blend the colors. Now after this, I'm going to use a dark blue color and I will add it next to this blue color that we added, the light blue color that we added here. We are using cobalt blue color for this portion. You can use cobalt blue or ultramarine blue. Do not use Prussian blue color for this, okay? Prussian blue color will be added at the end but not now. You can see I'm adding the color in the same way as I added the light blue color, leaving some space in between and applying a lot of pressure. Now I picked up the Prussian blue color and I'm adding it in the remaining area. You can also see the thickness of the color line. That is also a very important point in this painting. Make sure that you are adding the colors generously and not just adding thin lines of light blue or a thicker line of dark blue. Not like that. All the 3 shades should be in approximately equal amounts. You can see that ultramarine or the cobalt blue in the middle is a bit less, but the others, they are in more amount. Yours should be similar to this as well. Next we are going to take black color and very lightly we are going to apply it on a small area at the top. You're not going to apply a lot of pressure, but you will apply a very small amount of pressure and just make the top portion dark. So it looks like the night sky is dark and then it goes lighter and lighter, slowly turns into light blue. Right next to light blue, we are going to add this light green color this way. Next you take yellow color and add it over here. I have used lemon yellow color for this portion. See the areas that I'm going to color with this portion because it's a bit tricky and it's not just stripes. Somewhere, as you can see over here, I'm only covering the left side only and leaving the rest like that. As you can see, I have left a little bit of space at the bottom and on the right side. Here we will be applying orange color. Now again, I'm adding light green color in this area. Now using the earbud, you will first blend the lighter colors and then slowly move towards the darker color. So I'm blending yellow color first and then I slowly move towards the orange color here. I'm still using the same earbud and slowly I moved from orange to light green color and I'm blending all these areas this way. Now for blending this blue area, I'm using a new earbud and I start by blending light blue color and then we will slowly move towards the darker blues. You can see how I'm moving my earbud. You have to apply a lot of pressure and make sure that everything blends really nicely. once you're done with the blending part, now we are going to make the hills and the trees. Over here, make a straight line like this and make some hills or some mountains like this. It is a silhouette painting, so you don't need to worry about details. I just make the mountain first and then I will add color inside it. If you are afraid that you may make the wrong line, you can use a pencil to draw it. But even then you have to be very careful because you cannot erase the pencil if you have made a wrong line. But it's a bit more forgiving as compared to oil pastel. So yeah, you can use a pencil. Now make lines like this for the remaining area here. And again, we will fill it up with black color. We'll make 2 pine trees over here. Make a line like this using the side of the oil pastel and add these this way here. The leaves. Make another one here. Slightly smaller tree. I think there is still some space to add the third one. Once you're done with this, take white poster color or gouache or white acrylic paint, and using that you add stars. Take a very thick amount of white paint on your brush and add the stars this way. Also use another sheet of paper to cover the pine trees and the land area, and then add the stars here. You can see how beautifully they show up in the night sky. Now we will also add some big stars like this using the paintbrush itself. I just noticed that this line is a bit slant, so I'm fixing it with the black oil pastel here. That's it. We are done with our picture.